Hello, this is Tony Liu and I'm founder of Focus Law. Today I'm going to talk to you about working with SMART goals in your business. Have you ever want to achieve something in your business but had no ideas how to get it? Goals and achievement can seem so far away from us sometimes, and that's why all entrepreneurs should learn how to create SMART goals. SMART is just an acronym for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This is what SMART stands for. Now, first is specific. Being specific helps us to avoid the ambiguities and nebulous goals and milestones that can easily be changed as the project moves forward. Make sure that you have specific goals by answering the following questions. 1. What do I want to accomplish? 2. What do I expect this outcome to be? 3. Can I set a milestone and track my progress? 4. Why do I want to accomplish this goal? Now, the second one is the goal has to be measurable. This is very important, and there is a very famous quote saying, if you cannot measure it, you cannot improve it. And it is so true. You need to identify the matrix you'll use to measure your progress. As an example of the measure goal is getting the sales management position, right? You need to figure out what you need to have to qualify for this position before you apply. The third one is the goal has to be achievable. Now, people are likely to strive for stars, and don't get me wrong, being ambitious is all good, and I'm all for it, but sometimes it can be frustrating when we set the goals that is not aligned with our skills, the time frame, and resources and tools that we currently have at this time. Now, an example of this can be getting a good amount of new customers for next month. If you want to get 10 a month, and if you don't have a skill set, and if you don't have a time to develop a relationship with your prospect, then you kind of have to re-examine whether or not it is achievable. Okay, you kind of have to be honest with yourself. It doesn't mean that you cannot achieve it. Sometimes we just need some time to gain the knowledge, the skill set, the resources that we have in order to accomplish that. Everything has a season, so make sure that your goal is achievable within the time frame that you set up. Okay, the next one is relevant. The goal has to be relevant. Your goal should be worth your time and effort, but first consider if your new goal is aligned with your overall business objective. If it doesn't align with your business objective, maybe you should readjust, figure out whether or not it's still for you. And ultimately, if it really does not align with your value, what's important for you, or what you want to accomplish, maybe you can set a different goal. Forget about this one, set a different one. Maybe this goal is not for you. The key is you need to be honest with yourself about what do you want to accomplish, why you want to accomplish it, and whether or not this is the goal for you and not a goal that somebody tell you that you should have. The last one is the goal has to be time bound, right? As we mentioned before, creating the resources sometimes requires some time, right? We need time to gain our skill set. We need time to gain to acquire resources that we need, the tools that we need, and you need to be reasonable with the time, right? Also, you need to have a specific time that you want to accomplish, this specific task or goals, right? Creating the accurate timeline, that including a starting time, the milestone between your starting point to the final destination, and what kind of progress you're looking for, what are the goals for each milestone, things like that. You need to set a timeline, a schedule. Then there's a saying that if it's not on calendar, i.e. if you don't have a specific date that you want to accomplish it, it is not a goal. And that's very true. Now that you know how to set your business goals, do this for every part of your business. It is also important to have your business protected by any lawsuit that may disrupt your flow and disrupt your business growth. If you have any questions concerning about your business, give us a call and we will glad to be part of your business growth.